Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you something real cool. It's going to be like we just got it today. It's my dad's really new nice truck. Look, you guys can see it like right there. Like it's so good. Like it's like a really nice truck. Like we just got it today. We like right now we're at the insurance. As you can tell, we are like right here, and it's so cool. Like it's like really cool. Look, this is how it looks from right there. Look, you can tell right here. Look, it's really cool inside. Let me show you on this side. Look, it's very cool. So, look at the tires. The tires are awesome too. So yeah. So hope you guys enjoy my dad's new car, like for real. Thank you, and I'll see you later. Peace out. Bye.